Albatross. Albatrosses are large sea birds. They range widely in the Southern Ocean and the North Pacific. Albatrosses are among the largest of flying birds. They have the longest wingspans of any extant birds, reaching up to 12 feet. Bluebird. The bluebirds are North American birds. Bluebirds have blue, or blue and rose beige, plumage. Female birds are less brightly colored than males, although color patterns are similar, and there is no noticeable difference in size. Cockatiels. The cockatiel, also known as the wero or quarian. It is a medium-sized parrot. They are prized as household pets and companion parrots throughout the world, and are relatively easy to breed. Cockatiels are native to Australia, favoring the Australian wetlands, scrublands, and bushlands. Duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl. Ducks are generally smaller and shorter-necked than swans and geese. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds, and may be found in both freshwater and seawater. Ducks eat food sources such as grasses, aquatic plants, fish, insects, small amphibians, worms, and small mollusks. Eagle. Eagle is the common name for the golden eagle, bald eagle, and other types of birds of this group. Eagles are found in Eurasia, Africa, North America, Central and South America, and in Australia. Eagles are large, powerfully built birds of prey, with heavy heads and beaks. Even the smallest eagles, such as the booted eagles, have relatively longer and more evenly broad wings, and more direct and faster flight. Finch. The true finches are small to medium-sized birds. Finches generally have stout conical bills adapted for eating seeds and nuts, and often have colorful plumage. They occupy a great range of habitats where they are usually resident and do not migrate. They have a worldwide native distribution except for Australia and the polar regions. Goose. A goose is a bird of any of several waterfowl species. Its plural is geese. Young birds before fledging are called goslings. Geese typically migrate in the fall, and in order to prepare for this travel they start in the summer by igniting a process called molting.